Um, what were we gonna say?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
That,
that's what we were gonna say.
She's lost. She's lost her mind again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
So hey friends, Vicki and I just wanted to do a real quick thank you video. We had such a great time at Lollapalooza, and we couldn't have done it without you guys. So thank you so much for the ones of y'all who came, and for everybody who's enjoying the videos now. Thanks for watching those too. It really was an awesome time with some awesome people. So my intentions with Lollapalooza has always been to have a meetup where people can just meet each other and make new friends, and that's exactly what this has turned out to be. It's not like a big YouTuber event. It's not about big YouTube stars and stuff like that. It's just about friends.
and a few of them brought presents.
We wanted to share those with you. Check this out. I guess we'll start with this one because we don't know what's in these.
Okay, we're so feeling the love, you guys.
That one's Vicky. It's too far away. So Sandy handed us these. She said these were actually last year's Christmas presents, but we never did get together. And then the COVID thing happened, so it's been a year since we've seen our friends Jill and Sandy. So excited to see what's in here.
Awesome.
Oh, cool.
Look, she knows us so well.
Awesome.
I love it. I needed a new Lucy light. Oh, that's neat.
That's cool.
Oh, it's totally different.
Yeah,
Did Bill have one like this when we were with them?
he did.
Well, listen to they listen. That is so. I love it so much.
Thank you, Bill and Sandy.
Y'all are awesome.
And our friend Tammy from Lessons from Lila surprised us with these. Check these out. This is a bowl. It's a little bowl. It's so cute. And
This one
it's
is
like a little storage pouch and a hot pad. And she made these with love. So I love them very
so
much.
much love. It's such great colors. She knows us so well.
Yes, she does know as well.
I love her so much. Our friend Mimi Weekend makes these little quilted, little zippered pouches. Mine carries my earplugs, my earbuds, you know.
And mine carry my reading glasses, which are in the van, in my Mimi bag. So I'll get that out and show it to you at the end. So I found my little Mimi pouch. She's so sweet. Just love it.
And she puts a little J on there for joy. She's got joy in her heart when she makes them.
She's
They're
so
so
sweet.
cute.
Such
I
a
love
sweet
it.
lady. We have the best friends.
We do.
So this was something special that Tammy made for Vicky, and I'll let her explain it.
I love it so much. So I did the leukemia climb challenge for Tammy in her honor, and she cross-stitched this or stitched this for me. This is to represent the steps I went up, and this is to represent Lola with her drone when she filmed it, me at the top of the stairs, and Tammy in Illinois sending me love to get through it. And I just love it so much. It's so pretty. Thank you, Tammy.
And my good friend Deborah Dickinson gave me what she called a hostess gift, and I thought that was just so incredibly sweet. It's like she knows me or something. Awesome bottle of wine, which I will enjoy. It's even chilled from being in my van last night. So I think this is Deborah's newest book. She's got several books out. This one is called A Pigeon Story and Lessons in Letting Go, Acceptance, and Transformation. So this is a magazine that Robert Witham and Deborah Dickinson put out, and it's awesome. I've wanted to check it out, and now I think I'm going to go ahead and subscribe. It's got the most beautiful pictures in here of some different places that they've traveled. This particular issue is Death Valley, upstate New York, Nevada wild horses, and a desert ghost town. And yeah, it's just a photo journal and a little bit of writing on each of the places that they went. It is amazing. See, I don't even know where to start and where to end on the thank yous. I mean, everybody there was awesome, and everybody added something to the gathering. Every single person there. So it was just awesome. Of course, Frugal RV Gal, Dan Van, and Vicki Van Gogh Without those three, there wouldn't be a Lollapalooza. They really do all the work. And our extended family, which is Leanna and Tammy and Mimi and Charlie and Bill and Sandy. And yeah, C-Dubs and Babs and Carrie. And RV Rebel Girl has been there all 3 years, and she's been amazing all 3 years.
And people just brought food and it was so nice. People showed up with donuts one morning.
Kay from Southern Goodness brought the most amazing pecan dessert. She gave me the recipe. I didn't write it down, so I'm going to have to find that. Oh, it was good.
It was so good, and I asked for it on Rex's video, so hopefully she'll send it through.
Good. And then Gypsy Pear, they arranged this whole cooking competition, and everybody had such a blast. It was so much fun. They are such nice people. I can't wait to see who wins this competition.
Can't wait to see what?
Who wins this competition? It's going to be tough. There's a lot of good cooks.
I think Eric's going to like mine though, because it's taters.
I tried everything. I tried at least a little bit of everything. My favorite tasting one was the potato with the bread. The potato stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the fried potatoes.
Yes.
That's a shock, Eric.
Yeah. How about that?
Sandy's, and that was really, really good.
But we're not sure what it was, huh?
We're not sure what it was, but it was delicious.
It was delicious. Okay,
It was. It
awesome.
was very.
I don't know which I like the best.
Is it hard to choose?
It's very hard to choose. And with Spam, you wouldn't think so.
Right.
I don't know who made this, but this is good.
The chowder.
Yeah. And my friend didn't even know it had Spam in it. She hates Spam.
Oh, that's funny. And she likes it? Oh, that's great. What was the winner, sir?
All right, Kathy over there with the hat.
Yeah.
Number one.
Did you taste them all?
Oh, all of them. Very, very good.
Yeah. So what's the winner?
The dish that's Tiny House made. God, that was very good.
Okay.
Pasta salad.
Yeah. Good stuff.
But they were all winners.
Yeah.
They were very good.
Well, thank you for your vote, sir.
You're welcome.
Stuff.
Vicky's dish, the potatoes? Oh.
The potatoes, Spam, and asparagus.
Good stuff, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Awesome. And then just getting to meet people like Joe and
Carol, who drove all the way from California just to be here for this event, and then turned around and went home.
yeah, and Antonio.
Glorious life.
Antonio on the road, all the way from Maine. I was blown away, and such nice people. And Joni's journey, she was such a nice lady.
Joni, yes.
Yeah. So yeah, I
Phoenix
don't want to
Ramblers made banana pudding, homemade banana pudding, which was the best I've ever had.
Yeah.
Seriously, it was.
And yeah, William and Rebecca Foster, they were just such nice people. Oh, and Russ. Russ was such a cool guy. That's the guy that gave me corn for our competition.
So yes, for the chopped competition, Frugal and I both needed items, and Lola ran around camp, and people gladly donated items so that we could make our meal.
Got a can of corn?
I don't think I have a can of corn, but you know what? I'll go on a scavenger hunt and find you one.
Go ask Dubbers.
This is a mission. I'm on a mission from Frugal.
What are you doing?
I am on a mission from Frugal. I am looking to borrow a can of corn. Do any of you lovely ladies have a can of corn?
I don't even think I have a vegetable.
Okay.
No corn.
No corn.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin?
Cauliflower.
All right, well, I'll get back with you if that'll substitute, right?
Plenty of curry.
Next time we camp together, I will return that can of corn, sir.
All right. You got it?
Yeah, I do.
All right.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, so you'll have to come and taste what she's cooking in a little while.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
See ya.
All right.
Can of corn achieved. So much fun.
So nice.
But yeah, it was really nice to meet like those newer channels. X marks the spot.
Yes.
And some days here, they're very, very nice.
Yes.
Both couples are just
Very
so nice. So
Great channels too.
like I said, I can go on and on. We had 58 people here, and yeah, Nomadic Fanatic throws together a movie night and fills up his hot tub. How cool is that?
That was so much fun. And RV Rebel Girl throwing the movie night as well. She had some great movies that she brought.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, and then so check this out. Mimi Weekend was having problems with her stairs. So I look over and I see Cool Breeze under her stairs working on her RV. How nice is that? And
Well,
then,
you heard about Billy.
Yeah.
He had mechanical problems, and Russ and Chad jumped under his and fixed it.
right. And he's like, they fixed it. I was like, that's cool. And then, yeah, Carol had a brand new GoPro. Didn't know how to use it.
All right.
Eric took half an hour, 45 minutes, sat at a picnic table with her and gave her a private GoPro lesson. It was just so very cool. So, yeah, we can chatter on about this for
Oh,
days.
yeah. Billy threw an impromptu Dutch oven class, I think.
Yeah,
Also.
yeah.
Stuff just kept happening. It was great.
It was really, really amazing. Everybody, it was just awesome. And last but certainly not least, a big thank you to Blind Views once again. You nailed it. He's the one that designs these t-shirts and our big banner and everything. He is such a great friend, such a great guy. Wouldn't be the same without you, even though you didn't make it this year. Plan on it next year, please. So we could go on and on about this, but I think you get the picture. Lollapalooza was exactly the way I envisioned it to be, and that is just everybody having fun and enjoying one another's company. Couldn't have asked for a better event. So I can't thank you enough once again. I really do appreciate all your support. Y'all stay lost, my friends.
Bye, guys. It's like a thing.
So we forgot to reverse the letters on Jack Daniels. But I'm sure that Eric will appreciate the effort. That's pretty fabulous. Oh, he's gonna love it. That's the way I see it.